Hey everyone, this is Komal here from EnglishWise, and today I have got Aditi with me, who has recently smashed her desired score in PT for A-Teach for Master of Teaching, guys. So she got amazing scores with 90 overall and 9 each in all the modules. She got listening 87, reading 90, speaking 90 and writing 87. So it's absolutely, I would say, a wow score. And Aditi, I would like to first of all congratulate you from the entire team of EnglishWise. So please let us know that how you made it possible. How was your journey with EnglishWise? And I think you made this possible in 2 weeks of time.
10 days.
10 days, not even guys 2 weeks. So this is really very, I think, amazing story, and we would love to listen that.
Yeah, sure. Well, the thing was, I didn't have much time to prepare for my PTE because I had to submit this course for my application, as I told you. So my husband, the first thing he said was, go to EnglishWise, get enrolled and start immediately. So I remember I started on the 1st of January and I started for my exam on the 9th of February. Yes. So that was like precisely 10 days. But my husband also prepared for PTE here, yes, and he also got an amazing score.
Yeah.
Individually, if you take the marks, he got more than me, but overall it was the same. So I didn't have any doubt about the level of coaching and guidance here. So I had full faith in you and the team here.
Thanks for that.
And yes, I did put in my best, but not much time, I agree. But I would credit most of this to EnglishWise and the trainers here, because without them this would never have been possible. The tips and tricks that you guys taught us, that really work. So I would like to tell everybody that the tips that you give us might seem a bit strange to a newcomer, yes, but I would like to say that they really work.
Yeah, because it's not, guys, English exam, I would say, exactly, right? This works in a bit different way. So sometimes it's very hard to believe in the templates and tricks we provide, but actually they work and the example is in front of us, right? So any difficult module for you, Aditi, like any difficult area for you?
Well, I had a bit difficulty in a couple of long sentences, like the repeat sentences. Yeah, okay. A couple of them are a bit long, so I missed out maybe one word in one sentence and maybe I believe 2 words in one sentence, but ultimately it didn't matter much.
Yes.
So it was like I realized that it's the overall exam which matters rather than individual things here.
Because it's not like, guys, okay, the person has to give a perfect, I think, attempt in the exam in order to get the perfect score. Some things will go up and down, but the more important is how you overall perform in that exam and keeping yourself focused. Exactly. And just keeping I would say, keeping yourself motivated throughout the entire exam. I think it's much more
yes, and important. One more thing is that if something goes wrong, it's very important to keep yourself calm for the next ones.
Yes, very important.
Because like some of us have a cumulative effect. Like if something goes wrong, we carry that in the next one. So that is something very
great tip, I think, because don't worry about the performance in your previous question.
True.
Keep going. You never know. And you got, I think you are talking about repeat sentences. Still you're able to get listening 87 and speaking 90.
True.
So it's not like that you have to have the perfect attempt in order to get. So that was wonderful. Any tips, any tricks you want to share with them that how they should practice in order to get such score?
Well, one is have full faith in the trainers at EnglishWise. They are awesome. They are the best. And second is, like exams like these are, I guess, very intensive practice. So it's not spread out over a long time. It's like short, concise and intensive. So I think for me that worked really well because I knew that I don't have time. So after coming back from work, I have to sit for practice, but that really works.
I think you are a mom, you are busy with your work and still managing all the things, I think, with the personal life, managing your job, family, and still coming over here, getting the score. Then in 10 days, what you can expect more, guys, right?
But my work was made easy by the tips and tricks that I learned from here. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Yes. So I think that was wonderful experience with you, Aditi. I think to have you here, it's a pleasure.
It was my wonderful experience here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I think, guys, you will get a lot out of this video and be motivated. Stay calm, do not get panic in your exam, give your best shot, and definitely you can get your desired score. If you are out there struggling to get your desired score, we are there to help you. Thank you so much, Aditi,
Thank you so much,
sharing
Komal.
your experience. Thank you so much.